Hey neighbors, this is Josh with Sherman.
And Kelly Christenson.
And welcome to
Cooking with KC Realty Group. By now, you should have received your recipe card for May.
This month, we're going to be teaching you how to make a grilled chicken salad.
Yeah.
And be sure to stay to the end of this video because then we're going to be doing an honest taste test of that recipe. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get cooking.
For this recipe, we will need 1.5 pounds chicken breast, boneless, skinless. For the marinade, we will need 1/2 cup lemon juice, 1/2 cup olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of thyme. For the salad, we will need 1 red bell pepper, 1 cucumber, 1 red onion, and 14 ounces of mixed greens. And for the dressing, we will need 1/3 cup of light mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1 garlic clove minced, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 3 tablespoons of onion, and 1 dash of hot sauce. To begin with, we are going to start with the marinade, and we are going to get that all together, get the chicken marinating for 1 hour. Going to cut the lemon in half. I need 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Next is 1/2 cup olive oil. Two teaspoons of salt. We need 1 teaspoon of pepper, but I don't have a little container of it, so I'm going to gauge it with this.
Kelly, look at all that time on your hands.
We need 2 tablespoons of thyme. That is it for the marinade. So we are going to now add the 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. Seal her up. And give it a good shake. Make sure we get all of the chicken covered, and then we're gonna stick it in the fridge for an hour. We're gonna go ahead and get the salad ready for the grilled chicken salad. So I am going to do 14 ounces of mixed greens. This is a 16-ounce container, so I'm gonna put almost all of it in there. We're gonna use 1 small red onion. So, I'm not sure if you've noticed my lovely apron that I have on, which I made in 7th grade. I just started taking some sewing classes. And so first thing I made was an apron. So my mother sent me this. She had this stored for 40 years. Oh my gosh. So next thing, we're gonna put sliced cucumbers in here. Some people like them peeled. I actually do not mind the skin. I'm going to leave the skin on. Totally your preference. We're gonna toss them in here. So the recipe calls for 1 red bell pepper. Maybe I should slice it. So our salad is ready and just waiting for the chicken. While we're still waiting on the chicken to marinate, I'm gonna go ahead and make the dressing for the salad. And we're just gonna put it in a jar and we'll set it aside. For the dressing, we need 1/3 cup of light mayonnaise, then a 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1 clove garlic, a 1/4 of a cup of cilantro, tablespoons of an onion minced, and a dash of hot sauce. And we are gonna use Cholula. And I'm gonna shake this up. So my chicken that has been marinating for an hour. It's been raining outside today, so I'm not gonna be grilling this. I'm going to be pan-searing this chicken. So watch it sizzle. We've got our chicken done. I'm gonna toss our salad, slice my chicken up, add some dressing, and then we're gonna be good to go. Welcome back. We are now ready to do our taste testing with the grilled, pan-seared for us,
Grilled
chicken salad.
First thoughts, it smells surprisingly good.
It smells really good.
The only thing, I don't like cucumbers. There, I said it. But I'll try it. Try to get a little bit of everything.
And I'm not usually big on raw onions. I'm better with raw red onions. Here we go.
Here we go.
I like the dressing.
That chicken is delicious.
The chicken is really good.
Wow. Because of the flavor of everything else, it almost made me like the cucumber.
This is really good.
So the dressing is so interesting. We were talking about it earlier. It's not your normal dressing. It's more like a yogurt. In texture, kind of reminds me of like a tzatziki from Greek dishes. And it doesn't taste quite like it, but it's very similar.
I mean, if we had some black olives in here or some Kalamata olives, I feel like it would very similar flavor to that.
Absolutely. But the chicken is so juicy and flavorful.
Really good.
The red onion and the red bell pepper really do accentuate a lot of the flavors.
I think it all comes together really nicely. I'm glad it's the red pepper because the red pepper is a little sweeter.
Yeah.
So, and then with the onion and with the dressing, it's all really good together.
On a scale from 1 to 10.
I think I'm an 8.5. Where are you?
I'm going to say an 8.
Okay, so we're close. I do feel like it's one of our better dishes, which is interesting that we're both
Agreed.
only giving it an 8 or an 8.5.
What's knocking it down for me is the cucumber. Without the cucumber, I think it would be closer to a 9.
Okay.
But-
Have you ever given anything a 10?
Have I? I don't remember.
I don't feel like you have. I think I've given a few 10s.
I think you give it a 10. I've given a couple of 9.5s, I believe.
So you should try this.
Yeah, I would highly recommend this one.
Yes. I would definitely triple the dressing. If you're gonna use that much of the greens, because the greens, I don't think we used the 14 ounces. I think we probably maybe 10.
Probably 10.
And it was still a lot.
Yeah. What would you do differently to make this better?
I would add black olives, I feel like. But
The other thing that I despise. Olives.
even black olives? What? All olives?
All olives.
Like, I'm
No,
not big
black,
on
green.
Kalamata. I'll eat them in a martini. But black olives I like on a salad.
I think having a caper in here, a little bit more,
Ooh, caper, the salty.
a little bit more salty, which
That would be good.
is a better alternative to olives because olives would also give that saltiness to it.
What about something like sesame or something would be good in it? Hemp hearts. That's
Hemp
what I'm
heart?
thinking of. You ever used hemp heart?
I've never used that before.
You want to try some?
Sure. Oh,
Right?
yeah.
These are great on salads.
Yeah, that tastes great.
That's good with the hemp heart.
Well, thanks for introducing that to me.
You're welcome.
Well, any final comments?
Final comment. If you haven't tried hemp hearts, throw some of those on there because I feel like this was a great salad.
Yeah.
And very light, great for springtime, great for summertime, very, very light. I loved it. Hemp hearts just took it up a notch.
Absolutely. I agree.
I think it was fantastic.
If you make this, let us know in the comments
Yes.
below what you thought of this one. It's a very simple grilled pan-seared salad. It doesn't take too long to make. Flavors are really fantastic. And the beauty about salads is that you can pretty much do anything you want with them. Put in what you like, take out
Whatever
what you
you
don't like. So
Yeah, it's great.
thanks neighbors for cooking with us today. And we'll see you
Next time.
in the next time. Bye neighbors.